Hey guys, this is Zach over at RockyNet. Today we're going to be looking at filezilla. It's a client to server side file transfer protocol. For those who don't know what FTP stands for, that's what that is, file transfer protocol. So in order for us to use filezilla, we need to go download it. So open up your favorite web browser and type in filezilla/projects.org. Up here you can see the URL. Just type that in and you should land on a landing page that looks exactly like this. Now what you want to do is download the client, not the server. So click this button. Sorry, I got to click inside of it. And now, depending on what kind of operating system you are running on your client, you'll need to download the appropriate software. So on this machine, I have a Windows 7. So I will use the Windows installer. And obviously, we'll use the one that is recommended, which is the 3.5.3, the Windows 32-bit. And if you're using a Linux distribution, download any of these Linux tarballs. And then, of course, Mac OS, you're going to download these tarballs. You can also get the source code, but for now, we're just going to look at installing it on a Windows machine. So we click this, take us over to sourceforge.org or .net, and then I already have the file, but if you don't already have the file, you'll click Save, and then you'll navigate to wherever this saves to and double click the executable, and that'll just run you through a simple wizard to get FileZilla. Once you have FileZilla on your computer, simply navigate over. So what I do is just type in file, and then FileZilla will come up my search bar. Now this is what FileZilla looks like when you first open it. You have your computer, which is on the left side, and then you have the server, which is on the right side. In order to access the server, you need only 4 credentials, which is the host name, the username, password, and the port. All this information will be provided to you by your hosting company. So in here, we'll use our DNS name, which is, for this one, testftp1.rockynet.com. And then the username, we're just going to use sales1. Now your hosting provider will provide you with a password. Make sure that password is secured and changed on a regular basis. And then click port 21. And we do a quick connect. That all goes through. So basically what you want to check for is all these are green and passing. I'm not going to go into great detail of what this all means on this tutorial, but basically what you want to see is all your files and folders on the right side. Now we can navigate through all these files and folders. Obviously I don't have anything in here because I just set this up, but one of the points I want to show is I can access everything, sales and everyone, but if I try to go to admin only, you'll see this error right here. It basically is throwing a 505 error, meaning I don't have permission to access admin only. Now if I came in here as an admin user, I could access admin, I could access all this. All those protocols are set on the server side, so if you get a deny like this, the best thing to do is contact your service provider that's hosting this and ask them about it. So if I come in here and I just want to, I'll just navigate through. You basically use the double dot up here to go back between your files. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to open up some temporary directory. So I want to move this Drupal installation over to sales. All I need to do is drag and drop. As you see, the progress bar goes fast. You can check that here, make sure that it's successful. If it fails, you'll notice in here. And then basically I can come in here and everyone that has sales credentials can open this file and use this file however they please. So if I want to drag this file back in, what I need to do is drag it across there. And then I'll drag my document to my C directory. So basically anything that goes this way is going to the server, anything that's going this way goes to the client. And then when you're done, you can just exit out of it and it'll exit out of your session. If you have any more questions, please visit us at www.rockynet.com. Thanks and have a great day.